Upgraded HVAC system installed in 2022 and a new water heater in 2019 enhance the home's comfort and efficiency. The property boasts a fenced backyard, ideal for privacy and outdoor activities, along with a spacious covered porch. The well-structured layout includes 4 bedrooms on the second level for convenient living. The main level features an office, formal dining room, living room, updated kitchen, and attached garage, ensuring both functionality and style. Situated just a short distance from various dining options, shops, and multiple grocery stores, the location is highly convenient. The residence is also in close proximity to Bluegrass Elementary, and also zoned for West Valley Middle and Bearden High School, making it an excellent choice for families.